Hi guys, in the morning I made the video on the top college forms which you can buy, the larger which is coming. So same way I'm making the list of college form you have to buy now. So go to the link ceticking.com/form. I given the complete detail about all the colleges and all the details which you need to have. Okay, here every form is worth 2000 rupees. Approximately every form ka cost is around 2000 rupees. ओके विच इज जूस के पॉइंट ऑफ द 20 जूस की जार जूस की बॉटल्स नाउ वाई टू वेस्ट यार 20 एक लड़का जो जूस पीता है उससे पूछो यार कैन यू वेस्ट कैन यू थ्रो अवे 20 बियर का बॉटल या जूस का बॉटल्स नो नॉट एट ऑल सो व्हाई यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मनी so in this series of video I'm going to give you the complete informed information whether you should apply or not apply for a particular college. So whichever main college form is going to be out, I'm going to make a video like this on that, talking about the complete placement, profile, fees, everything, so that you can take an informed call whether you want to apply or not apply. There are two things. One, you have to buy the college form. Yeah. For example, if you buy CAT ka form, all the applications, IIMs, SPGen, you have to separately buy. So CAT, SNAP, NMET is the exam form which you have to pay for. Then the subsequent colleges under that, SPGen, MDI, FMS, SIBM, you have to buy their forms as well. So in this video, we'll try to cover up all the forms which are out. I've already made the video, the colleges form which you can buy, and the end date which is coming this week. Now, my problem is, suppose let's take example of SPGen. SPGen ka last date to apply is November 27th. Now, whether I should fill the form or not fill the form, that's the main fundamental call I have to take. Now, I would love to fill the form if you're scoring more than 85 percentile for the profile based call and for the score based call 98 percentile. I don't know. And the problem is you have to fill the form before CAT happen. Now, before the exam, how can you say will you pass or fail? It's like engineering college. यार engineering exam में 2000 rupees prize you will get if you pass the exam. वो साला कैसे पता चलेगा कि पास होगा कि नहीं होगा? Yeah, till the time exam is over, till the time I see the paper. So the best way to do that is looking at a mock scores. So go to the link. So in case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of the numbers given here. So we're launching the program for the non-CAT exam, SNAP and MET. So kind of a phase 2. Yeah, for books, mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join, you can join. And for the CET exam. Okay, so right now the program is an online program. So this Monday, we're launching the program after the CAT exam. Okay, so in this link, ceticking.com/form, you can find the playlist. There are two playlists available there. One playlist is for the exams you can take. Second, the one I'm talking about now is a college notification which is out. That's the main list which I wanted to check. And once you open up the link for this notification out, so we have the main colleges I'm going to track. So Narsimonji, the top 50 colleges, top 30 colleges I'll track. NMIMS, IMT Ghaziabad, MDI, SPGen, Bocconi. I'll be making the video of SIBM and SMHRD. So as of ending of this week, Narsimonji is December 15th, so we have time for that. Bocconi ka phase 1 is over. The phase 1, I think the last date was November 20th. So phase 2 ka bhi aana baki hai, so you have to wait for that. Abhi nahi attention. Main thing which is ending this week is MDI Gurgaon, SPGen, and IMT Ghaziabad. I wanted to check out these three videos. And look at this video is seen by 16,000 students, 13,000 students, 21,000 students. So I want to take an informed call. Yeah, mera bhi dil karta hai ki I want to study in SPGen. But if we are not able to touch the cutoff, if you're not able to clear the cutoff, why to waste my money on that? Okay. So now I'll tell you about these colleges, whether you should apply or not apply. And this is based on your mock scores. So pick up your last 5 mock scores. So please pause the video here. Look at your last 5 mock score. Section cutoff in all these colleges is very low, so you don't need to worry much about the section cutoff. So the section cutoff is 80 to 90 percentile in both MDI and SPGen, the two main colleges. So like last 5 mocks ka average score if you take, we are going to consider that for this thing. Now, if I look at the score versus percentile, So I can see here the attempt, which this is my prediction. So let's first look at SPGen. SPGen profile based score and score based call. There are two kind of calls they have. Profile based call is at 85 percentile. So if you are touching this magic number, overall 57 marks. So let's round out. If your marks are crossing 60, 70, ठीक है, आपको वो रेंज आपको देना. I think 60 is a good number, but if you're in 60 to 70 range and good profile, yes, you can fill SPGen का form. 85% कट ऑफ. प्रोफाइल प्लीज चेक आउट द वीडियो अर्लियर कि प्रोफाइल क्या होता है, उसमें पूरा डिटेल मैंने दिया हुआ है. एंड अदरवाइज स्कोर बेस्ड कॉल विल बी एट 98 percentile, which means 94 marks. If you're scoring in the mocks, you can do that. Now, how to find out whether I'm getting that mocks or not, I'll talk about in 1 minute. This is SPGen, number one point. ठीक है. Now come कि मेरे को इसका कैसे आ रहा है, मेरे को नहीं आ रहा. For example, I made this video after talking to a student. What he is doing, his 5 mock score is, let's say, 50, 45, 60, 72, and 52. These are the 5 mock scores he have got. Yeah. So now looking at these 5 mock score, yeah, 85 percentile is at 60 marks. So this guy is safe because average is touching 65, 60 percentile. ठीक है. Now 90, अगर ये, because this guy have work I've recommended him to apply for SPGen because you have a good chance to clear the cutoff. But if he would have been without any work experience, without any good profile and targeting 98 percentile, तो chances tough है. What he can say कि सर 94, देखो मेरा भी 72 तो आ गया ना, तो बेस्ट का बेस्ट केस, can I get 94 in the exam? I'm sorry, no, very difficult because this is the best possible score. इसका बेस्ट का बेस्ट विद इन 3 days 4 days 94 नहीं हो पाएगा. तो इफ यू आर अ प्रोफाइल बेस्ड कॉल, yes, you should apply. If you are applying for the normal score based call, I don't think call आएगा. So don't waste your money. Yeah. Same way for MDI, cut off is around 97, 98 percentile. So again, we'll keep the target 98, which is mota mota 95 marks. So if you're scoring 95 marks in the mocks, 90 plus in the mocks, you can apply MDA ka form. Otherwise, don't waste the money. Okay. So MDA ka form will be around 95 percentile. IMT Ghaziabad is around 90 percentile cutoff, so 65 marks. If you're scoring 60, 65 marks in the mocks, you can fill IMT Ghaziabad ka form. Now, historically, IMT Ghaziabad ka form do get extended, but this time they're not accepting CMAT ka score. So there's a slight possibility as well कि वो ना accept करे. See, this year, now every college will try to fill the form and get admission as early as possible. Why? Because if they delay, student might not stick. For example, SIBM is normally among the first people to ask you for the payment. SIBM, Narsi Monji, NMMS. Yeah, because they are competing with each other. Suppose I'm adding IMT Ghaziabad as well. So all the 3, 4 colleges, I'm just giving a sample, will release their dates, will release the final merit list immediately so that you can pay the fees. Yeah, because suppose I paid the fees to SIBM and then I got the confirmation from Narsi Monji, I'll not be going here. Okay. So that point of view, I doubt this time lot of colleges might not extend their dates. ठीक है, तो वो आपको ट्रैक करना है कि डेट एक्सटेंड हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. Okay. So MDI, SPGen, and IMT Ghaziabad, 3 forms are ending this week. If you want to apply, you can apply. IMT Ghaziabad, I'm putting a star here because there's a small slight possibility they might be extended. MDI, SPGen will not be extended. SPGen का date is ending on 27th of November. SPGen is 27th of November. IMT Ghaziabad last date is 27th of November. And MDI Gurgaon last date is again 27th of November. See, look at the main chaos here. All of them wanted to fill the form before the CAT exam get over. How can I now know मेरा CAT exam में क्या score आएगा? So the only way we have to check it out is look at the mock score. That's why I told you to look at the last 5 mock scores ka average and then decide whether to apply or not to apply. And you can find the list of all the colleges which are there with their tentative fees and whether you have to buy the form or not and their ROI. So you can check out the link here. Moving to the main topic for the day. Now, which are the forms which are there? Okay, but again, before you apply, please check out the video for each of them so that you can know whether you want to apply, whether will you be able to clear that much cutoff or not, and then apply to whichever colleges you want to apply. So college notification out. I'm making this list of colleges which are here. All right, all the best.